How do you start with affiliate marketing? There's just 3 steps that you need to follow religiously in order for you to be successful with affiliate marketing. Step number 1, and the most important step, is to build an audience on social media. So you need to pick a platform that you're comfortable with, that you would like to grow an audience at. So if you pick YouTube, then create content that people want to watch on YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, doesn't matter. Whichever platform that you choose, it should be a platform that you like and you're comfortable with and that you want to add value to the audience there. Very important. Step number 2, find a program or a network, and there's plenty of them, that's going to work for you so that when you're sharing with your audience, you can introduce them to the affiliates that you've been signed up. It's very important to pick a network program or a network that's going to work for you. For example, other programs have rewards on them. Not only are you going to get paid for referring people to the product, you also get rewards, and sometimes it's quite substantial. So find one, take time and research, find one that's going to work for you, that's going to motivate you to continue sharing. Last step, keep on creating content that your audience want to watch and sharing your link. Be organic in the way that you introduce your affiliate link, and you keep repeating those steps and you'll see the results will start rolling in.
Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat.
I do have a free ebook that you can download on one of my links. Go find it there. If you're watching this from TikTok, I don't do Bitcoins, so I'll never approach you on DM and sell you stuff. If you want any of my courses, I am on Udemy and at Learn with Za.